In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the trading disabled issue in MetaTrader 5. So if you're trying to place a trade and MT5 keeps saying trading is disabled, then this is exactly what you need to do. Now the first thing you want to do is open MetaTrader 5 and make sure you're logged into your trading account. And once you're logged in, just look at the top menu and click on Tools. Now once you click on Tools, you want to scroll down and click on Options. And when the Options window opens up, just go to the Trade tab. Now inside the Trade tab, what you want to do is look for one-click trading and simply tick or enable that option. And once it's enabled, just click OK to save the changes. Now after doing this, go back to your chart and try placing a trade again. And if trading is enabled, you should now be able to open trades without seeing the Trading Disabled message. And that's it. That's all you need to do to fix the Trading Disabled issue in MT5. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.